If your project contains a verbal dialogue, then a transcript will be automatically created. To see this, go to Text and under Transcript, ensure your dialogue is correct. Click on Captions and Create Captions from Transcript. This will create the captions in the correct format against the timings in your video. You can then click on the three dots on the top right to export it to an SRT file. This is the best file format to use for YouTube. Once exported, upload your video to YouTube as usual. At the bottom of the details page, click See More. There'll be an option to choose the language and caption certification. Input details for this and then click Next. This will enable the Add button on the subtitles section of the Video Elements page. Click Add and upload the SRT file. This should automatically populate the captions. Check them over, and if you're happy with them, click Done on the top right. Then continue to create and upload your video as you would. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to see more quick tutorials.